Hey everyone, hi pet lovers and owners. Today with me I have the Vibrant Life Mini Crystal Unscented Cat Litter, and let me tell you guys, we are so glad we switched to crystals. Now this whole thing between crystals and the other type of cat litter is such a difference. I'm gonna tell you guys why. So not only is this fast absorbing, low dust and long lasting, but it's so gentle on their paws. We absolutely hated how our cats would have a litter in their paws and they would spread it around the house like crazy, and this one doesn't do that, which is great. It also locks odor in seconds, which is awesome. We keep their litter box in our laundry room, so we want to make sure that the smell is kept to the minimum. All right, you guys, this is such a nice cat litter. It is also a reusable bag. You can just tear it right on open and then you can close it up, so you don't even have to use all the cat litter at once if you don't need it. As you can see, the inside are lined kind of like a Ziploc and you can just put it right back. This is what the cat litter actually looks like. Look at all those little crystals, and you're definitely getting plenty of them. We have 2 cats, so we hope this is gonna last very, very long for both of them. The instructions are so easy. You'll see them here in the back, and it explains everything to you. So I hope you guys check this out and try out this litter. We're definitely going to be switching over to crystals only because the dust itself is so much better. It's not going to get all dusty. It's not going to spread out. That odor is going to get locked in, and it's so important for us to have that with our cats while still having them have a nice place to go to the bathroom, of course. So check this out. I definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10 from us.